In this video I'll show you how to buy USDC on Coinbase Advanced. Click here where it says search for a market, type USDC and then followed by your currency. So for me that's USDC Euro. Here it is. For you it might be USDC USD or USDC GBP, whatever your currency is. Click on it. I'll click on USDC Euro. And here once you're on this interface, click on buy. Now if your currency is Euro, it will say that it's limited to limit only market. A limit order means let's buy USDC at this specific price. So you're not buying it right now, but you have to set a specific price. So as you can see here, I can only choose limit, I cannot choose market. Market means let's buy now, limit means let's buy at this specific price, and when it reaches this price, it will be bought. So here in limit price, you'll need to choose a price. Now the price of 1 USDC is 0.8820 euros. So let's say I want to buy USDC at 0.88 euros. I'll click here. I'll type 0.88, or if you want to buy it as soon as possible, choose the price that is the closest to the current price. So let's say 0.8819. I'll type 0.8819, click on done, and then here in amount you need to choose how much money you want to put in. So let's say I want to put in 100 euros. I'll click here. I'll type 100 euros. It will tell me that I'll receive 113.39 USDC. I'll click on done. I'll click on buy. Or you can also choose to buy a specific amount of USDC. So click here on your currency, toggle to USDC, and here you need to choose how much USDC you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy 100 USDC. I'll type 100. It will tell me that I'll spend 88 euros and 19 cents. I'll click on done and I'll click on buy. And since this is not a market order but a limit order, you will not have your USDC right away because it needs to reach the price first. So once the price reaches the price you've set, you see your USDC here in portfolio and then overview and crypto.